Yo, what's up you guys? Unboxing boy again with another super video, guys. Today I got a fireplace heater, and guys, it's Ikon fireplace heater, and let me show you the features of it. So guys, real long flame effect, black cast effect finish, flame effect that can be used independently. Two heats setting option, safety thermal cutoff device, and it's 50 to 600 hertz, 2000 watts. As you can see, the barcode and the QR code. Guys, I'm gonna cut and show you how the heater is. Cut the ceilings and stuff. So guys, when we unbox it, we get the user manual and the repair warranty, and we get this thermocol on it, and let's see what's inside. So guys, in the box we have this stands and some screws, so we can apply the strands underneath the heater. And guys, let us prepare for the setup. Underneath the heater there's actually a thermocol safety, and this is for the switch, and this is where the heater is. This plastic bag was on it, on the heater, so that it is fully protected from the scratches and other stuff. So in a plastic seal bag we have warranty and the user manual. No need to read this, so we're gonna throw it. Guys, this is the beast itself, and guys, best thing about this heater is that it has a cinematic type of lava, like it's burning like chimney, like it's burning. It's so cool, it's so good, like actually I loved it. And let's test this out. So guys, all the plastic stands are gonna fit over these edges, and once I fit all of these, and I'm gonna resume the video. So guys, everything is ready. Now let's start it on. Let's on it. So guys, this is the power button. This is level 1, and this is level 2 for the the heat. And this is as we want, like if you want less heat and more heat, so you can use this button. So now let's test it out. If I on this, nothing ons actually. If I press this button, actually the heater started to exhale, taking out the hot air. Guys, actually I can't use my vocabulary. I'm feeling so sleepy because it's 3 a.m. in the morning. So guys, this was all for today. Bye bye. Subscribe and like to my channel. Bye.